Hello, this is a tutorial on how to patch Windows Vista so that you can use custom themes from the internet on Vista. Alright, so first you want to download the patched files that you're going to be using. So go to withinwindows.com. This address can be found in the description for this video. Once you're here, go to expand, collapse all, and click on that. Alright, so we're doing a tutorial for Vista. So expand to Vista. Alright, so there's going to be three choices. There's going to be SP0, SP1, and SP2. What SP means is Service Pack. So Service Pack 0 and Service Pack 1, Service Pack 2. If you're not sure which Service Pack you have, go to Start, right click on Computer, and go to Properties. Alright, so in here, under Windows Edition, it should say what Service Pack you have. I have Service Pack 2. You might have Service Pack 1, and if you have like Service Pack 0 or whatever, it might not even show up on here. So if this Service Pack 0, then you have 0. If you don't have anything, then I just assume it's Service Pack 0. So minimize this, because you're going to come back to this in a second. Alright, so what I need is Service Pack 2. Since I had Service Pack 2, I'm going to click on Service Pack 2, and there's two choices right here. There's this one, and then there's the same thing, except it says AMD 64. What AMD 64 is if you have 64-bit operating system. If you have 32-bit operating system, you're going to pick this one. So this one's 32-bit, this one's 64-bit. If you're not sure which one you have, go back to System that we just were at. Under System, go to the bottom, System Type. I have 32-bit operating system. If you have 64-bit, then it will say 64-bit. Well, I'm going to download the 32-bit one. So I'm going to download this one because it's 32. If you have 64-bit, download this one. So it's going to be the same thing. Yeah. So go ahead and download, save the file. Just save it to your desktop. And then you can X out of this if you want. Right here is your file that you just downloaded. You want to extract the files. You have movie. Alright, and then you can delete that. Alright, so at this point you should have 3 patch files that you downloaded that should be named the same exact thing as what I have right here. Alright, next you want to do is go to this link, which is also in the description, and this is for Take Ownership, and you want to scroll down to download Take Ownership.zip. You want to download that, save the file, save it to your desktop, accept that, and minimize. Alright, now you have this file, Take Ownership. Now you want to extract that as well, and then you can delete this. Alright, so at this point you should have your patch files, 3 patch files, and a remove Take Ownership and install Take Ownership. So you're going to double click on install Take Ownership. Yes. Keys and values, okay. Okay. Now if you wanted to uninstall what you just installed, you just click on remove Take Ownership and it will remove it. Alright, so now at this point you want to highlight all 3 of your patch files, right click on one of them, and then you want to click on Take Ownership. If you have continue or any prompts, just continue and OK. And then alright, continue. And then continue. Alright, so now you have ownership over those 3 patch files. Next thing you want to go to is your C drive, so go to computer, then you want to go to your C drive, go to Windows, scroll down to System 32. If you have 64-bit, then it might say 64 instead of 32. But either way, just click on that. Now in search, go to the search box so it makes it easier, so you don't have to look for every single one of these files, because there's like a lot of files. And then you want to type in each of these 3 names. So I'm going to type in SH, S, B, BC, well, BC, S. Alright. And then I should have 2 files. You want to do capital OR space, the next one, theme, UI, or UX theme. Alright. So this, okay, let me see. Alright, so you should have 6 files that show up. 3 of them should have .dll, and then the other one should have .dll.mui. The .mui, we're not going to worry about those at all, just ignore those. It's these 3 that you want to worry about. Alright, so highlight those 3. It should look just like those that you downloaded, and you are going to highlight them, take ownership. If you have prompts that say continue, just continue for all 3 of them. Alright, so now you have ownership over the 3 theme files on your computer. Alright, now that you have ownership of these 3 in your System 32 folder, you want to click on each of them, go to rename, and at the end you want to add .old, continue, continue, and there you go. Now do that for each of them. So you're going to add .old, continue, continue, rename, .old, continue, continue. Alright, now you rename those to .old. Now you want to highlight the downloaded patch files. You want to cut them, and you're going to add them to okay, I'm gonna minus that, go to the end, and just paste them in here. Continue, continue. Alright, now you should have pasted all of them in. Here's one for example. You can see the old one and the new patch file. Now the reason why you wanted to rename the original ones to .old is because you don't want to delete them in case you want to go back. It's just a good idea to save them. So now you've patched your files, added the patch files. Now all you have to do is just restart your computer, and I'll be right back once I restart it. Alright, I have just restarted my computer after having patched Windows Vista. As you can see, I already added a new theme to my computer. It's a lot different from standard Windows Vista theme. If you'd like that theme that I have right now, this is the name of it. Just Google search it. You can find it on deviantart.com. DeviantArt is a good site for finding different Windows Vista themes, custom ones. Alright, so that is my tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped a lot to a lot of you people. Subscribe, comment, rate, and thank you. Bye.